Stop. If you're thinking about buying OmniClaw, there's something you need to know first. Because this AI tool claims it can replace your entire marketing team with one AI CEO and 12 autonomous AI agents. Writing content, building funnels, creating videos, running SEO, and even generating leads, all from a single instruction. Sounds completely insane, right? But here's the scary part. After testing OmniClaw, I realized this might be one of the most dangerous AI marketing tools released this year. And if you ignore this video, you might either miss a huge opportunity or waste money on hype. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you everything, and make sure you stay till the end. Because if you decide to get OmniClaw through my link below, I'm giving away 2 exclusive bonuses worth over $500 completely free. These bonuses are designed to help you get faster results with OmniClaw and actually make money with it. What is OmniClaw? OmniClaw is basically a cloud-based AI marketing command center. Instead of using ChatGPT, Canva, email tools, SEO tools, funnel builders, and social media software separately, OmniClaw combines everything into one dashboard. You get an AI CEO agent, plus 12 specialized AI agents that work together automatically. You simply type one instruction like, create a full affiliate marketing campaign for my product. And OmniClaw handles content, emails, funnels, social posts, images, videos, SEO, and lead generation automatically. Benefits. Why people are interested. Now here's why marketers are getting excited about this. Most people are tired of paying hundreds monthly for tools, switching between 10 tabs, hiring freelancers, and wasting hours creating campaigns manually. OmniClaw solves that problem by acting like your personal AI marketing department. And honestly, the biggest selling point here is automation. The AI CEO actually delegates tasks to the best AI agents automatically. That means less work, faster execution, lower costs, more scalability, and because it includes a commercial license, you can also use this for client work, freelancing, local businesses, affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, and agency services. Inside OmniClaw, you're getting AI CEO agent, AI content writer, SEO specialist, funnel builder, email assassin, AI video creator, AI image generator, social media manager, lead generation tool, AI chatbot, affiliate hunter, Telegram bot, and local business dominator. And everything works together inside one dashboard. No complicated setup, no coding, no installations, no server headaches. It's fully cloud-based and beginner-friendly. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review honest. Pros. Extremely beginner-friendly. Huge value for the price. Saves time and monthly costs. Great for agencies and affiliate marketers. Commercial license included and full automation system. Cons. You still need to give good instructions. AI content may need small edits sometimes, and advanced marketers may still prefer manual control for certain campaigns. Results. What to expect. Now let's talk results. Can OmniClaw make you rich overnight? No, and anyone promising that is lying. But can this massively speed up your workflow and help you scale faster? Absolutely, especially if you run an agency, do affiliate marketing, create content, sell services, or want to automate boring tasks. This tool can literally save you hours every single week. If you grab OmniClaw using my link below, you'll also get these 2 exclusive bonuses. Free. Bonus 1, AI Affiliate Domination Kit. Value, $297. You'll get high-converting affiliate marketing strategies, AI review video templates, CTR thumbnail secrets, bonus page framework, and traffic methods for free buyers. Perfect if you want to make money promoting AI tools. Bonus 2, viral content, automation blueprint, value, $397. This shows you how to create viral short-form content, AI automation workflows, YouTube, plus TikTok growth hacks, content repurposing systems, and fast audience growth strategies. This alone can save you months of trial and error. So, is OmniClaw worth it, honestly? If you want automation, faster marketing execution, fewer subscriptions, AI-powered workflows, or a beginner-friendly AI business tool, then yes, OmniClaw is definitely worth checking out. Click the first link in the description right now before the price increases and claim all my exclusive bonuses. If this review helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.